And we're back. Okay. Story number 2. Do I have a name here? I do not. So that means they said no.
Fatima.
मेरी बहन का नाम. So
Aisha.
5 years. हाँ अगर वो ना होता ना तो कोई शिया ना कहता. Cultural statements. Khair. So 5 years back, I moved to a flat and it had some creepy shit going on in general, which is like Jinn story worthy. Oh, crossover.
Wow. Okay.
So the flat was on the ground floor and it was a small and empty street which was hidden from the main road near my kitchen area. One day, hungry as I always am, I went to the kitchen to grab a bite and to make some noodles or something because hunger speaks. Okay. While I was in the kitchen, there was a huge blurred window. This could be a date story. Huge blurred window where you could have an idea of what's happening outside and the outside person couldn't see inside. So it was midnight. I heard 2 voices coming from outside and I could hear wild ass moans and kissing voices.
Oh my god.
Oh shit!
Wild ass थे वो, not
Wild
just.
ass.
Wild ass.
कैसे होती हैं ये आवाजें एली?
When I heard it first, I thought that the jinns in my house might be acting up.
What?
Porno jinns. But why would they make out so loud, for fuck's sake?
Yeah.
As I saw from the window, I saw 2 people kissing and wildly busy in their stuff.
Wow.
And after a while, the girl... Yani tha kya? Keyboard. After a while, the girl says, "Your जाने दो अभी घर में से छुप के आई हूँ, पापा तो इधर है नहीं और तो अभी ज़्यादा रहूँगी तो शक पड़ जाएगा ना."
Sorry.
What? छुप के घर के आई हूँ तो पापा तो इधर है नहीं तो अभी ज़्यादा रहूँगी तो शक पड़ जाएगा. Okay.
Okay.
Her dad had run away. To which boy said something I couldn't understand and I literally wanted to open the window and say, "Pant chhodho inni raat nu kedi aag lagi hai?" But I was more focused on my food and left. Next morning I asked my choti maa,
There's a body mom.
I guess,
Okay.
कि I heard this happening.
I'm more interested in this
Yeah,
right
yeah.
now.
To which
Why was this detail put in?
Yeah.
छोटी माँ.
yeah, हम confused ना हो जाए ना कि पूछा किससे हम खाला का कहते हैं. मेरी
Step
खाला
mom
is
होगी ना.
हाँ, that's what a छोटी माँ generally is, right?
छोटी माँ खाला.
नहीं,
No.
nobody calls खाला छोटी माँ.
No, मासी बुलाते हैं.
Yeah. छोटी माँ could be your house help too.
Anyway, next morning उनसे पूछा कि I heard this happening. To which she says this happens all the time and once she heard someone saying वाहियात बातें on call and आवाजें निकाल रहा था. By वाहियात she probably meant phone sex.
Wow.
So yeah, it might be off topic और मेरी बीवी का phone आ रहा है. But I hope it counts.
ये किधर रहते हैं?
I don't know. Well, Punjabi. She said "Pancho do." But then she said "Choti ma."
छोटी माँ.
This is a made-up story.
Hunger speaks.
It was the hunger. This was all a delusion
Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah.
But how
because
is
of
this a
hunger.
date story?
Might be उनकी date चल रही है.
हाँ.
Date adjacent थी ये story. I don't know.
This
She did
I
say
don't know if I'd call that a date.
Yeah. This is more like a
Hookup.
Yeah.
Bro, this was
yeah.
a waste of time.
ये तुम फिल्टर नहीं करते हो, तुम्हें
Nope.
जो आता है तुम लगा लेते हो.
यार देखें हमें एक लाख लोग तो भेजते हैं काम तो उसमें से हम ये 3-4 चुटकुले निकालें.
फिर ये होता है ना कि फिर उनको भी हम जलील करते हैं.
Yeah,
पहले
exactly.
तो आप अपनी फ्रिज की तस्वीर भेजें कि आप खा के आए थे.
दूसरी बात
अपनी छोटी माँ
अगर-
प्लीज बता
Yeah.
कौन है.
वो
What
कैसी
is this?
है.
हाँ.
और अगर आपको भूख लगी थी दूसरों को भी लग सकती है जो बाहर खड़े थे.
Wow.
तो लोगों को खाने दो आराम से.
मुख्तलिफ किस्म की भूखें होती
जिस्म की
हैं.
भूख.
Yeah.
This is a song also. right?
Also अपने पेट में चेक करा ली कीड़े ना हो.
Health tip. Okay, story number 3. Cerveza Gomez. This guy gave his name. That's his Twitter.
This is a guy.
I love that
Yeah.
name.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Cerveza is beer in Spanish.
Gomez?
Huh?
Gomez?
Surname. Family name. What?
Beer Khan.
Beer Khan.
बियर खान ने क्या कहा है?
I guess this bad date experience was more for my ex-girlfriend than me.
Oh.
The year is 2005, and I am 16 years old. Oh, is he older than us?
2005.
A-levels
Wow, he is older than us.
No,
he's
one
like
year,
my
one
age.
or 2 years
Acha.
younger. I'm 27, and I'm 16 years. I have recently started going out with someone from school. Okay. My pocket money is spent on filling up the CNG tank of the Mehran my dad has kindly bought me.
Wow.
Eating out at dhabas with my friends, topping a mobile credit and Marlboro at budget kyun de raha hai? Mostly in that order. Within the first week of the relationship, my girlfriend plans for us to meet at a cafe. I show up at CTC Hossain Chowk, Lahore.
Oi, bro, shout out.
Oh my god. that's so-
Yeah.
And I find out that she has come with a friend. They have both ordered some fancy drink. क्या drinks मिलती हैं?
Latte.
Blueberry shake
Oh,
and
Electric lemonade. And I just ordered a small bottle of water for myself.
Sorry, I was just thinking of that mint margarita meme.
अरे कितनी चीजें बेचता है ना ये
Why haven't I?
गंदी चीजें Mint margarita. खैर, waiter brings a bill and I put in the money for the bottle of water and some extra to cover the service charge. The ladies cannot believe this and resort to opening up their purses / wallets and pay up the remaining balance. The following week, my girlfriend asks if I can pop by after my tuition class. I show up at Subway on MM Alam. Over the top reaction, any Lahore location, Mall Road.
यार माल रोड के दाल चावल
Who
यार.
did I meet? Someone I met here last week was saying Mall Road.
I used to say Mall Road when I moved to Lahore. नया
बस.
नया. मुझे क्या पता था?
That's how you spell it.
That's how you spell
Yeah.
it.
How they spell it.
There is Hall Road and Mall Road. दोनों
Yeah.
आमने सामने. तो हमने उसको बना दिया like
Mal.
माल हाल. So there's a Montgomery Road in Lahore जिसको सारे मिंट घुमरी बोलते हैं. So how is that my fault? You know.
Bro, Neti JT, Bunce Road.
Bunce Road.
Following week, Subway MM Alam, the ladies have already eaten and paid for the subs.
How many? Why is he saying ladies? Wasn't this a date? Like एक
No, no,
नहीं है.
no. The pehle was a date, which he thought was a date.
And
But
then
all
the friend
other-
showed up.
okay,
Yeah.
And they had expensive drinks.
Okay.
This daffa
Okay.
wasn't a date, but they had ordered and eaten.
And they were like, we're gonna pay for
Yeah.
ourselves.
Oh wow.
The benchmark was set pretty low by me.
Yeah.
Yes.
We did end up going out for another year or two and eventually broke up due to non-financial reasons. So,
Is that the end of the story?
end of this story. Yeah. एक और भी है boy कि Tinder related. But खैर,
Let
नहीं,
this
but
be more
they broke
interesting.
up because of non-financial reasons.
2 साल बाद.
2 साल
नहीं तो
बाद.
मुझे बताओ कोई बात हुई कोई फटा हुआ
Yeah.
क्या हुआ
Like, where is the masala?
were words exchanged about this
Yeah.
I don't know man.
the
Lahori
expensive
lads-
drinks and the sandwiches
Blueberry milkshake.
yeah anticlimactic
Yes,
shit,
CTC
right?
used to
So do you
very
think he
good
should
hot
have paid?
chocolate.
When he went and the friend was there and drinks were there?
on principle no
Being
a young
boy-
like, he's a
Not
young
really.
boy.
Like he doesn't have to. That's the thing.
yeah
Yeah. If I was there and I had the money, I would offer to pay for everyone.
Why would you be
But
there
maybe
this
once and then agli dafa somebody else. You know, it's like this unwritten thing that friends do. You know, कि आज मैं कर रहा हूँ, I'm like taking care of the bill. अगले hangout पे कोई दूसरा कर देगा, फिर कोई तीसरा कर देगा.
time? But
No,
for
but-
just friends तो नहीं थे ना वो.
this
Yeah.
sounds like he didn't even know that friend
Yeah.
she just tagged along
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
so why would he be
And
expected
then if he just ordered a water and had water, that's fine.
but
Yeah.
because there was no conversation about this, we don't even know whether this
Yeah.
was
Shit story है
a
boy ये
point
तुम्हारी.
of contention.
Yeah.
वो थोड़ी सी कैपिटलिस्टिक एहसास से कम तरी लग रही है मुझे.
हाँ, like उसने कुछ कहा भी नहीं है.
Yeah. और breakup भी
हाँ.
financial reasons पे नहीं हुआ
This
है.
is guys.
तो फिर
ये
this banda
yes.
doesn't deserve dates.
Yeah.
ये
Yeah.
patriarchy का शिकार है. ठीक है.
This is what happens in all of our story episodes. हम stories भेजते हैं और वो जलील होते हैं. उन्होंने क्यों भेजी story हमें? खैर.
That's next.
Time check करते हैं.
अभी 11 मिनट
Yeah.
10 मिनट हैं.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a Tinder story of the same Sarveta. We're not going to talk about it.
Is it good though?
No, no.
Okay.
Is there some?
Fucking no. Tinder था no success. खैर. Zainab.
That's not a date story.
Why is he telling me?
Maybe that's why I haven't followed you back.
Yeah. No, he's saying.
Wow.
I think the Tinder वाली story ये था कि success limited थी मगर जिनसे मिलते थे वो was just free drinks and dinner. I mean that's what they wanted as per him.
Free drinks.
Yeah.
Drinks.
Yeah.
Lahore में?
No, London.
अच्छा. LinkedIn.
And he's like, sometimes I feel this happened to me because I didn't pay at CTC. Bro, it's called post-traumatic
Oh
stress.
my
Yes.
god.
Yeah.
Patriarchy.
Damn,
Wow. CTC was a very good place back then though.
इसका CTC scan किया.
Yeah.
नहीं तो एक बॉय को जरा जल्दी से चिल करा लो, बोलो कि ब्रो ऐसी दुनिया नहीं चलनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
और आइंदा ना भेजना कुछ.
अच्छा जी. Zainab, bad date.
क्या हाल है Zainab? What's up?
3 years younger.
Who? She was or
The
he
guy
was?
was 3 years younger.
Okay.
Wanted to go bowling, so played along. He won the match. So I got us bowling का match होता है, game होता है. So I got us the drinks. Barely made it through 30 minutes of conversation, mar ke. And then as we were leaving, he took a selfie of us before I could notice what was happening.
Mm.
Left thinking never again. The kicker. He later messaged saying our date may not have ended in bed, but at least I beat your ass. She's like, I'm never swiping on 25, 26-year-olds again.
What the fuck? Wait, eight minutes. Let me dissect this.
Let me
Acha.
digest.
So the guy is 25 or 26 for
Yeah,
example. 3 years younger than the girl,
Yeah.
who's 29 then.
Maths.
They went fucking bowling on a date.
Bowling is
That's
fine.
number one.
I've seen people go.
Bowling
bowling.
is
इतनी
fine.
energy कहाँ से इस उम्र में आ रही है इनके
Oh,
पास?
well, yeah, she's हमसे
Yeah.
तो उठा नहीं जाता
Oh,
बस पैसा.
excuse
Yeah.
me. Speak for yourself.
We're bad rat in this.
I don't think bowling is a bad idea for a date.
देखो बचपन
I don't
में
know.
सही है.
No, why? It's a fun thing to do together. It's
I
more
don't-
interesting than sitting and eating food.
But ये भी है कि I don't like fun.
Okay.
Yeah.
Miserable
My
man.
my wife has been suggesting bowling for
I'm
a
so
while.
sorry, Tasma.
Yeah.
हमें bowling
Yeah. कुत्ता जो है ना, इसने एक दफा मेरे सामने ना ये वाली जो हरकत की, that every
Every
Pakistani
Pakistani boy probably still does.
even first generation immigrant Pakistani boy
I
would do
sometimes do
this.
it at home, bro.
सब-
But अकेले
Yeah.
अकेले
The best is doing it in the mall.
इसने एक दफा कर ली ना मेरे सामने and I'm like क्यों कर रहे हो because reaction अब हम दुबई मॉल में जा रहे हैं मॉल ऑफ द एमिरेट्स जान मतलब
Run up के साथ.
रनअप के साथ हाँ, एक तो वैसे ही मैं इसके घुटने लगाता हूँ ऊपर से ही मेरे साथ बॉलिंग कर रहा है fuck man
अच्छा तो
Back to the date.
you guys played with balls but didn't end up in bed.
But
yeah.
he still beat her.
and he took a picture
Yeah.
how does he know how does she know that he took a selfie oh before she could notice so अच्छा तो okay fine our tape may not
Achha,
have
so
ended in bed
This is
a very short story
Uh,
yeah
It's not a
These are
bad
not
date
even
either.
bad dates. I don't
how
get
is it not a bad date?
Because मतलब कि सही है, he won, मगर
What he said post date was very. I mean, I'd be
Message from him.
traumatized if someone said that to me.
wait, I lost
Okay,
you.
we didn't end up in bed, but at least I beat your
I
ass.
still beat your ass.
He said that.
Yeah.
He
So
texted
bro,
us.
he's saying that I was on a bad day.
no
Nay, the girl is narrating
is saying कि
Oh,
मेरे
that the
साथ
guy
हुआ.
texted me after the date.
हाँ ये तो bad थी
Okay.
bro. ये तो
Yeah.
टट्टा है ये तो.
yeah
This was in Pakistan?
no I think Tinder है तो maybe not in Pakistan
Tinder Pakistan में है bro. Like,
no,
you use
people are telling me Tinder Pakistan में दस्तियाब है
it. हाँ bro,
हाँ.
मतलब seen on है.
Yeah, that's right.
I know some Karachi people.
Oh dear.
Kickboxing
रोटी बना
fuck खैर
रसगुल्ले.
okay. And then when we asked for a story, this is the like a quick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I tell you all? I don't know you. She's messaging me. Did I tell you about how I got a LinkedIn message from a Pakistani guy who was an HBS alum, Harvard Business School, working at McKinsey. Was
Okay.
new in town and wanted to meet/network. So I met him for coffee. I thought it was networking. He thought it was a date.
Wow.
एंड ऑफ स्टोरी क्या मतलब टाइम ज़ाया करने का भी कोई आधा हिसाब नहीं है
नहीं कोई डिटेल नहीं होता है.
खत्म
Nothing. That's the end of the
Yeah,
story.
so look, next time write your own.
Yeah.
Pretend people have been
हाँ.
sending